how to turn on or enable stable volume in YouTube. So if you want to enable stable volume in YouTube, then this video is going to walk you through how to do this step by step. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Mark you, it's worth noting that it is not all videos on YouTube that support stable volume. So if the video you are watching supports stable volume, then you should be able to turn on the stable volume feature on the video. So if at the end of this you found this helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now the first thing to do when you want to turn on stable volume on YouTube is go ahead and open the YouTube app. Then play any random video on the YouTube. It could be the exact video you want to watch, whether it supports stable volume or not. But once you open the video just like this, and you see the video playing on your YouTube page, click on the video screen once and click on the settings icon at top right. Now, once you click on the settings icon at top right, you'll see this menu comes up. On the menu, click on additional settings. Now, once you click on additional settings, you'll see stable volume. If you can turn on stable volume on the video you're watching on YouTube, just make sure you click on this stable volume icon. Then you should see stable volume off. To turn it on, repeat the same thing again. And make sure you turn on the white on gray color to black on white. So just repeat the same thing again. Click on additional settings. Then you should see stable volume. Then that tells you that the stable volume is now active on the YouTube video. And if you go ahead and open another YouTube video, you may discover that the video does not support stable volume. And if the video does not support stable volume, you will not be able to turn on or enable stable volume on the YouTube video. To do this, repeat the same thing again. Click on the video screen once to open the menu screen. Then click on settings at top right. Then click on additional settings. Then here you can see this particular video does not support stable volume. So that's why you see you cannot turn on stable volume. So if it does support stable volume, you will be able to turn on stable volume. So that is basically how to turn on stable volume in YouTube, either on Android or iPhone. So if this is helpful and informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.